When you hear the word Dolores Huerta, two things immediately come to you: hope and courage.
We've never given up.
Dolores' pursuit for equality, fairness, and justice is beyond time.
90,000 people were poisoned in the fields of the United States of America.
Because of Dolores, I learned to balance being an artist and being an activist.
You had this ambience all around you that you could really change the world.
The thing that she created that stayed with everybody is sí se puede, and sí se puede.
Yes, we can.
And so those are her tools to ignite people so they can believe in their own sense of self-worth. Indomitable will. That's who she is.